Hey everyone, welcome back to Nathan Health and Fitness. In today's video, we're diving into 8 powerful home exercises that can help you build muscle, burn fat, and improve your overall fitness, all without stepping into a gym. But before we get started, if you haven't watched my previous video, please visit my channel. Watch it, share your thoughts in the comments, and let me know what you think. Now, without further ado, let's get started on today's exciting workout journey. Tired of the gym? Ready to transform your body from the comfort of your own home? You're in the right place. We're diving into 8 powerful exercises that will help you build muscle, burn fat, and improve your overall fitness. 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises that target multiple muscle groups at once. They primarily work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. To perform a push-up correctly, start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body straight. Lower yourself towards the ground until your chest almost touches the floor, then push back up, fully extending your arms. If you want to challenge yourself more, you can elevate your feet on a bench or try clapping push-ups for more explosive power. 2. Squats. Squats are one of the best exercises for building lower body strength, targeting your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. To do a proper squat, start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest upright, your shoulders back, and your knees behind your toes as you lower your body by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Imagine sitting back into a chair. Go as low as you can without your knees passing your toes, then push back up to the starting position. To add intensity, you can try jump squats or one-legged squats. 3. Planks. Planks are amazing for building core strength, stability, and endurance. Start in a push-up position, but instead of resting on your hands, support your body on your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels, engaging your core throughout. Make sure not to sag your hips or lift them too high. For a more advanced challenge, you can try lifting one leg at a time or reaching forward with one arm. Hold the position for as long as you can, gradually increasing your time. 4. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a dynamic exercise that will get your heart rate up while targeting your core, shoulders, and legs. Begin in a push-up position, keeping your body in a straight line. Quickly bring one knee towards your chest, then switch legs, alternating as fast as you can. Keep your core tight and avoid letting your hips sag. The faster you go, the more challenging the exercise becomes. Mountain climbers are excellent for increasing cardiovascular endurance while building muscle. 5. Burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that boosts cardiovascular endurance and builds strength. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Drop into a squat position, placing your hands on the floor. Jump your feet back into a plank position, perform a push-up, then jump your feet forward again into a squat position, and explosively jump up. For an easier variation, you can remove the push-up or jump step, but the full version is great for a total body workout. 6. Lunges. Lunges are a great exercise for strengthening the legs and glutes. To perform a lunge, step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees form 90-degree angles. Your back knee should almost touch the ground. Then push through your front heel to return to the starting position. You can alternate legs or do walking lunges for an extra challenge. Lunges also help with balance and coordination, so take your time to perfect the form. 7. Dips. Dips are fantastic for targeting the triceps, shoulders, and chest. You'll need a sturdy chair or bench for this one. Sit on the edge with your hands behind you, fingers pointing forward. Slide your bottom off the edge, then lower yourself down, bending your elbows to 90 degrees. Push back up to the starting position. For a more challenging variation, you can elevate your feet or add weight. Dips are great for building upper body strength. 8. Wall. Wall walks are a challenging full-body exercise that works your core, shoulders, and legs. Start in a push-up position with your feet against a wall. Slowly walk your feet up the wall while walking your hands closer to the wall. Once your feet are high up, walk your hands back towards your feet. This exercise requires coordination, strength, and stability. Start slowly and build your way up as you get stronger. These 8 exercises are all you need to improve your strength, burn fat, and build muscle, all from the comfort of your own home. Remember, form is key to avoiding injuries and getting the best results. Challenge yourself by gradually increasing the difficulty level, and make sure to listen to your body. Make sure to follow these tips and feel free to come back and share your experience with us. We'd love to hear how these exercises are working for you. Stay fit and healthy. Subscribe to Nathan Health and Fitness, and stay tuned for the latest updates on health and fitness. Your support motivates us to bring you even better content. Thank you for watching.